alaikum. In today's cooking, I'm going to be using two of each bell pepper, two green, two yellow, and two plum tomato, two medium-sized onion, and two red bell pepper. I don't have crushed bonnet today, so I'm going to be using this chili flakes. So I'll be using 2 spoons. To this. The pepper was chopped to the consistency that I need. Add the pepper to pan and put to boil for 20 minutes. While I left the pepper to boil, I prepared the yam. Add some salt. Add some salt. Put the pan on. Add 300 ml of oil while I prepare the onions. Pour one medium-sized onion here. The catfish fillet. Add the full onions now. And now let it fry for 2 minutes while I continue to knead the catfish. Add some salt, just little, and set that aside. The onions are fried a little bit, so is the pepper ready? So I'm going to transfer the pepper into the onions now. I will be having some spice and season. There's ginger powder. I'll be using 3 of these. This add curry powder, black pepper, I'm going to be adding the catfish. Before adding the catfish, the pepper has been cooking for like 5 minutes. So I'm going to add the catfish and let it simmer for additional 10 to 15 minutes. After tasting it, I realized that the salt is not enough, so I'll be adding little salt. That's about half teaspoon. I'm going to cover it because I don't want the splash all over the place. I'm going to be adding carrot and seed. I'm going to let it simmer for 5 minutes while I cover this. I'm also adding a bowl of maize veg. Alhamdulillah, this is ready.